Time to get this road perfectly smooth. All right, let's roll.
Officer Carroll, report to Sector 7. Minor disturbance.
Copy that. En route.
Understood. I'll be there shortly.
Almost done with this section. Just a few more passes here.
Okay, just a little back.
The situation is under control. I'll be there in 2 minutes. Yes, I can convert that. Over and out.
Now, back to patrol.
A bit bumpy here. Whoa! What was that? Did I hit a rogue brick? No! No! Oh! Oh, no! 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 My mistake! My big mistake! It's so flat.
Finally done with that.
What's Bob doing over there? Something's not right. My car? Melting my car?
Officer Carol! Surprise!
My car! What have you done?
I'm so sorry, officer. It was an accident.
An accident? How do you accidentally flatten a police car?
I just didn't see it. Right.
Just breathe, Carol. Let's see if we can just peel it off. Nope. It's really stuck.
Maybe if I just reverse it a tiny bit?
Are you sure that won't make it flatter?
Just a tiny push.
Well, it didn't unflatten.
No, it certainly did not. Some days, you just can't win.
Wait. I know who can help.
Calling for a tow. Urgent situation on Main Street. Whoa! That's a new one.
How did this even happen?
It was an accident.
All right, let's get this pancake to the shop. Really, Officer Carol, I am truly sorry about your car. It was completely my fault.
Don't worry, Bob. Accidents happen. It'll be a good story for the precinct.
I'll make sure the city gets you a brand new police cruiser, officer.
Just try not to flatten any more vehicles, Bob.
No promises. Just kidding.